Ryan here for Silly Reviews. What I'm showing you here is a vehicle from auction that I detailed. A 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, only 138,000 miles on it in 2019. Pretty good. People love these trucks. People will still pay a pretty penny for these trucks, and there's good reason why. Now, ignore things that need to be taken care of, like that side view mirror. Let's take a look at this. This is what's called Carbage, Carbage. And can you believe people live like this? This car smelled so bad. It smelled like cigarettes, trash, decaying animals, spoiled food. Look how disgusting this vehicle is. Absolutely gross. The job in front of me to clean this, I was overwhelmed. Look, there's a shoe in there. The one fun thing about these, after you mask up and you glove up, is you really do hope to find some treasures. I did find a few treasures in there. I found a phone battery charger bank, small one, some random tools. I found a lot of pencils. I think this guy was some type of carpenter, and I believe he lived in Mississippi. Look how disgusting this is. Food everywhere in the vehicle. There was melted candy everywhere in the vehicle. Markers, crayons. Every vehicle that I detail that comes from the auction usually has some stuff in it left over from the owners, usually not a trash pile like this. And I just remembered that I did not take any after pictures, videos, or photos of this. Or maybe I did. Let's see. I'm commentating on a video I forgot that I had sitting for a long time. What are we looking at here? But every one of these vehicles ends up telling me a story about who the owner was, what they did. Yeah, this is actually the after. You can see what you can turn these vehicles into when you get done with them. This is a money maker. The seats are still drying, but they came out pretty good. A vehicle like this, the money's not there to keep going over and over and over the upholstery, but they came out decent, smelled better, that's for sure. But can you believe people live like that? People go around and they live like that. It was so disgusting. One hazard here, I'm always worried about needles, like syringes from diabetics or drug addicts or whatever. I'm always worried about getting poked with a needle. I do wear some pretty thick nitrile gloves, but I did give some attention to these seats. You can see how these stains on here, I don't know, I couldn't figure out what it was. It almost seemed like it was marker or ink, because there were so many markers and pens everywhere in that vehicle. It looked like a lot of them had exploded over time. Even the headliner was disgusting, lots of baked in smoke. But anyway, Ryan for Silly Reviews, I just thought I'd show you how some people live. It's pretty gross. Hopefully you don't know anybody like that, or maybe hopefully you're not like that. Do you know anything about garbage vehicles like this? Leave a comment.